Are you looking for the best printers for Cricut? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best printers for Cricut on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Canon Pixma Pro 100. The Canon Pixma Pro 100 is a professional quality wireless color inkjet printer designed for photographers and creative users, featuring USB, Wi-Fi, and mobile memory connectivity in a sleek gray design. This Paro 100 model uses an advanced 8-dye-based ink system, including 3 dedicated grayscale inks that deliver stunning gradients, vivid colors, and beautiful black and white prints. Canon's optimum image generating system intelligently selects the ideal ink combinations and placement for accurate, true-to-life color reproduction. The printer supports individual CLI 42 ink tanks: black, gray, light gray, cyan, photocyan, magenta, photomagenta, and yellow, so you only replace what you need, with optional value packs available. It offers a high resolution of 4800 x 2400 dpi using fine technology, enabling exceptional detail on prints up to 19. The auto sheet feeder handles up to 150 sheets of plain paper, 20 sheets of 4x6 photo paper, 10 sheets of letter, or 8x10 photo paper, and 1 sheet of A3, while the manual feeder supports a single sheet of photo media in all sizes. With 6,144 total nozzles, 768 per color, and a print speed of up to 1.25 ppm color and 1.2 pp mono, this 21-pound printer delivers professional output, although the full shipping weight is noted as 43.2 pounds in the bullet details. Number 2, Epson EcoTank ET2750. The Epson EcoTank ET2750 is a versatile color and monochrome printer designed for cost-efficient, cartridge-free printing. Featuring a lightweight 12.1-pound build and print speeds of up to 10.5 ppm for both color and black, Epson strongly recommends using genuine Epson ink to ensure optimal quality and to avoid potential damage not covered under warranty. This model includes up to 2 years' worth of ink in the box, providing enough to print approximately 6,500 black pages and 5,200 color pages, equivalent to nearly 30 sets of traditional cartridges, while low-cost replacement bottles help users save up to 80% on ink. Its supersized, easy-to-fill ink tanks make maintenance simple and economical. The ET2750 supports effortless wireless printing from iPad, iPhone, Android smartphones, and tablets, and also includes Wi-Fi Direct for added convenience. Additional features include auto 2-sided printing to reduce paper usage by up to 50% and a high maximum print resolution of 5760 and 1440 optimized DPI. The printer is compatible with Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10, 32, and 64-bit, and Mac OS X 10.6 through Mac OS 10.12, X ensuring broad system support. Number 3, HP SmartTank 6001. The HP SmartTank 6001 AIO is a white and black color printer designed for easy, everyday use, featuring wired and wireless connectivity, HP thermal inkjet technology, and convenient functions like auto-duplex and borderless printing. This color output printer offers a maximum print speed of 12 ppm for black and 7 ppm for color, all while being lightweight at 14.07 pounds. It delivers crisp text and vivid, true-to-life photos supported by HP's mess-free refill system that lets you replenish the ink tank without squeezing or spilling. Ideal for high-volume, low-cost printing, it comes with up to 2 years of original HP ink included, enough for up to 8,000 color pages or 6,000 black pages. Key features include print, copy, and scan capabilities, automatic 2-sided printing, borderless prints, and easy mobile wireless printing. With HP AI, printed web pages and emails come out clean and perfectly formatted by removing unwanted elements. The HP app allows smooth printing, scanning, copying, or faxing directly from your smartphone, while self-healing dual-band Wi-Fi ensures stable connectivity. Enhanced with HP Wolf Essential Security for encryption and password protection, the SmartTank 6001 is a reliable choice from America's most trusted printer brand, ideal for families handling a variety of color documents in high volumes. Number 4. Epson EcoTank ET2800. The Epson EcoTank ET2800 is a white, medium-sized wireless all-in-one color printer designed for basic home use, offering wired and wireless connectivity and efficient inkjet performance through its refillable EcoTank system. This cartridge-free printer eliminates the need for small, costly cartridges thanks to its high-capacity ink tanks and Epson's EcoFit bottles, which make refilling easy and mess-free. It delivers color output with speeds of up to 5 ppm for color and 10 ppm for black, while remaining lightweight at 11.56 pounds. The ET2800 provides dramatic long-term savings, offering up to 90% lower ink costs and enough ink to print approximately 4,500 black pages or 7,500 color pages with up to 2 years of ink included in the box. Its heat-free micro-piezo technology ensures sharp text and vibrant photos on almost any paper type, and it features a high-resolution flatbed scanner and built-in copier for everyday document needs. Designed with sustainability in mind, it reduces cartridge waste and includes a worry-free 2-year limited warranty with registration, making it a reliable, eco-friendly, and cost-effective home printing solution. Number 5. Brother WorkSmart 1410. The Brother WorkSmart MFC J1410DW is a wireless color inkjet all-in-one printer designed for home and small office use, featuring a bright 2.7-inch color touchscreen for easy navigation and quick access to printing, copying, scanning, and basic cloud services. It supports automatic duplex, two-sided printing to save paper, offers reliable wireless connectivity for mobile and PC printing, and includes a trial of Brother Refresh ink subscription to simplify supplies management. With a compact footprint and user-friendly controls, the MFC J1410DW delivers convenient everyday color printing plus scanning and copying in a single easy-to-use device.